How to fix update or underway? Please keep your computer on in Windows. First step, wait for 30 to 60 minutes, especially if it's a large Windows update. The next step, if it's no progress, after hold the power button for 10 seconds until the PC turn off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Then move on with next step. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this you need to click the settings, search for settings, click it, click system settings, scroll down and search for troubleshoot settings, click it and click other troubleshoot and click Windows Update, click run and wait for few seconds. Run Windows Update and apply any recommended fixes. Follow the on-screen instruction given. Then move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click. Run as administrative and type the following text. sfc /scan now. Click enter and it starts scanning. So once the scanning, after it will verify the files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will remove it. The verification is ongoing. Once it reaches 100%, then after move on with next step. Click exit. The last and final step. Click settings. Click system settings. Click it. Click recovery settings. Click reset PC. Click reset PC and follow the on-screen instruction which are given. Depends on you, you can choose it and reset your PC. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.